The China-Central Asia Summit held in Xi'an, northwest China's Shanxi province, has been seen by many experts as a timely and important event to usher in a new era of China-Central Asia relations.
Tarihi İpek Yolu merkezinde tertiplenen bu törende gerçekte bölgenin refah ve barışı içinde yeni bir umut kaynağıdır, yeni bir başlangıçtır. Ben bunu böyle değerlendiriyorum.
China Central Asia Summit is very timely and important, and all these 6 countries leaders come together in Xi'an, the historical Silk Road city of China, and also discussed all these critical things together, and also they agreed to develop Belt Road cooperation in the region. And this will deliver further political stability and economic progress in the region with the help of this very important cooperation. And this leadership summit underlined this decisiveness of the leaders to keep more further cooperation on its track.
На форуме будет намечен новый план развития взаимовыгодных отношений на перспективу и открыта новая эра сотрудничества. Ожидается, что мероприятие будет способствовать углублению стратегического партнерства между Китаем и странами региона, являющимися дружественными соседями и стратегическими партнерами.
China does not want to dictate any other country to follow China. China is coming up when you are building a relationship, believe in the diversity, give the space and respect other people's, their beliefs, their values, their governance system. In this context, build a relationship on the basis of win-win cooperation and by respecting each other. I think this is the formula which can help to move the world toward the goal of community with a shared future.